Hello and welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, your premier pre-owned RV dealership in the Southeast. Today we're proud to bring you a 2010 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43QGP, a true 43-foot tag axle luxury diesel pusher with only 67,000 miles. This coach is built in the highly desirable 43QGP floor plan, featuring 4 massive slide-outs, 1.5 bathrooms, and sleeping for up to 6 thanks to a queen bed in the master bedroom and 2 sleeper sofas in the front living room area. It's also finished in a beautiful full-body paint package using Tiffin's sensational silver sand full-body graphics scheme that is sure to stun in any campground setting or rolling down the open highway. Let's take a complete walkthrough of this flagship-level Allegro bus. Starting on the exterior, the 2010 Allegro Bus 43QGP sits on Tiffin's own PowerGlide TAG AXLE chassis, with full air ride suspension and full air brakes, providing a superior ride to both the Freightliner or Spartan alternatives. Power comes from the side-radiated 8.9-liter Cummins ISL, producing 425 horsepower and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission for seamless shifting. An Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator is mounted on a power slide-out tray to take care of all power requirements, whether you have access to electric hookups or not. The coach rides on updated Toyo tires all around, with plenty of life left for worry-free travel. Storage is outstanding, with full pass-through basement compartments and one of the largest slide-out storage trays in the industry for stowing all your gear with ease. You also get an exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, power patio awning, power door awning, slide toppers on all 4 slides, and a full window awning package to set the perfect vibe once you arrive to your destination. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch, 4.1-touch automatic hydraulic leveling system, and rear side camera system with in-dash monitor are just some of the standout features. This coach is also equipped with the industry-standard AquaHot hydronic heating system for continuous hot water and zoned furnace heat, has 3 roof-mounted air conditioners, 50-amp service with power reel and extension cord, Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects for full coverage of anything you'd need under any conditions. Let's step inside where the 4 massive slide-outs create an incredibly open and residential floor plan with beautiful tile flooring that runs from the cockpit all the way to the rear bath. The front living area is designed for comfort, with a large pull-out sleeper sofa on the driver's side slide, an L-shaped jackknife sleeper sofa on the passenger side, a 32-inch television mounted above the captain's chairs, and another 40-inch television opposite the comfortable booth dinette for entertainment and seating all around. Moving to the galley kitchen. This coach is equipped with a stainless steel residential 4-door refrigerator and freezer, extendable solid surface countertop section, gas stovetop with oven below, convection microwave above, large residential sink with high-rise faucet, and abundant pantry storage. Everything is finished with solid surface counters and plenty of cabinetry. Just behind the kitchen is the convenient private half bathroom, featuring a porcelain toilet, solid surface vanity with sink, storage cabinets, and power roof vent fan. At the rear of the coach is the master bedroom suite with a walk-around queen bed, ceiling fan, 32-inch television, nightstands with outlets, drawer storage, and a full-size stackable Splendide washer and dryer. The full-width rear bathroom includes a large radius glass door shower with skylight, double vanity with 2 sinks and solid surface counters, porcelain toilet in its own private room, power roof vent, linen storage, and an enormous wardrobe closet that spans the entire rear wall. Let's run through the highlights one more time. 43 feet with tag axle, 425 horsepower Cummins ISL, 4 full slide-outs, 1.5 bathrooms, aqua-hot hydronic system, tile flooring throughout, residential refrigerator, stackable washer and dryer, exterior entertainment center, silver sand full-body paint, power reel, power awnings, and only 67,000 total miles. Imagine arriving at your destination, pressing one button to level, extending the power awnings, and stepping inside to residential comfort with endless hot water, heated floors, and every amenity you need for extended or full-time travel. Let's take another quick look at that massive basement storage. Pass-through design and the power slide-out tray give you room for everything you want to bring along. Back inside, the front living area really opens up with all 4 slides extended, multiple seating zones, big televisions, and that beautiful tile floor make this coach perfect for entertaining or just relaxing. The kitchen layout is excellent for serious cooking while staying connected to the rest of the coach. The half bath keeps guests out of the master area, and the rear master suite with washer, dryer, and huge rear bath truly feels like home. This 2010 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43QGP represents the pinnacle of Tiffin's build quality from that era, and with only 67,000 miles, it has many years of luxury travel ahead. If you've been searching for a clean, tag axle, 4-slide Allegro bus with every residential feature, this is the coach. Give us a call today at 864-2609-276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more, or schedule your personal showing. The Porters RV sales team is ready to help you make this incredible 2010 Allegro Bus 43QGP yours. Thank you for spending this time with us on this beautiful Tiffin Allegro Bus. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more premium coach walkarounds. We look forward to seeing you soon at Porters RV Sales, where your next adventure begins.